U.S. national debt now exceeds the country's entire gross domestic product, GDP. History shows that when countries get into this level of debt, printing money often becomes the only way out, leading to severe inflation. At the most recent Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting, Buffett was blunt, stating that runaway fiscal policy is what scares him most about the U.S. economy. He warns that as the government continues to borrow and spend, it may be forced to simply print more money to cover its debts. This would inevitably devalue the currency and erode the purchasing power of every American. So how is Buffett positioning his portfolio for these risks? He's not only sitting on cash, he's selectively buying businesses that are built to withstand economic turmoil. He recently added several positions in companies like homebuilder D.R. Horton, billboard owner Lamar Advertising, and industrial giant Nucor. These companies have three things in common that Buffett might currently see as beneficial for hedges against inflation. First, they all own real, tangible assets like property, factories, and equipment that hold their value when currency weakens. Second is cash flow. They're cash-generating machines, providing stability and income even when the market is volatile. Lastly, they're good value, trading at price-to-earnings ratios far cheaper than the broader market averages, offering a margin of safety. Now, it's important to note that not everyone shares Buffett's level of concern. The Federal Reserve is actively working to keep inflation under control and has so far succeeded. Inflation is not reignited as feared and has hovered around 2.7%. Major investment banks are optimistic. They see the federal funds rate falling to between 3% and 3.25% by the end of next year, which would signal that inflation is cooling off. Ultimately, Buffett's strategy isn't about timing a market crash or runaway inflation. It's rooted in his lifelong philosophy of value investing. Buy wonderful businesses at a fair price. When he can't find deals that meet his criteria, he simply waits, letting the cash build up. At Capital.com, we'll keep you posted on big moves by major investors like Warren Buffett, Michael Burry, Bill Ackman, and others. Hit like and subscribe to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.